Hello guys, welcome to the new video, and today I will be showing you how you can uninstall and delete Google Chrome in the easiest way. So let's start. You will just search for the settings and open the settings. Now you will go to apps and then you will go to installed apps. And now here is the list of all the apps that you have installed on your desktop or PC. Now I have to uninstall Google Chrome. So I will just click these three buttons and then click on uninstall. Uh, Uninstall and yes. Now it's up to you if you want to delete your browsing data or not. And just click on uninstall. That's it. Chrome has been uninstalled. And if you like the video, uh, please comment down what else should I make the video on. And if you are facing any other problem, you can also comment down. And please like and subscribe. Thank you.